Discover the world's most exclusive escapes, private islands, luxury resorts, and unforgettable retreats. This is JetSet Hideaways, where your next dream destination begins. Welcome to New York City, a metropolis that never sleeps, a concrete jungle of endless ambition. But tucked away on West 53rd Street, just steps from the Museum of Modern Art and the iconic Fifth Avenue, lies a different world entirely. A sanctuary of uncompromising elegance. This is the Baccarat Hotel. Born from the legendary French Crystal House founded by King Louis XV over 2.5 centuries ago, this property is a love letter to Parisian glamour, dropped right into the beating heart of Midtown Manhattan. Here, you aren't just checking into a hotel, you are stepping inside a masterpiece. The energy of the city fades the moment the doors close behind you, replaced by an atmosphere that is deliberate, thoughtful, and incredibly exclusive. Let's journey upstairs. Emerging onto the second floor, you are greeted by the magnificent Grand Salon. It is, quite simply, dazzling. Designed by the acclaimed Parisian duo Gilles and Boissier, the aesthetic is a seamless blend of classic French heritage and sleek Manhattan modernity. Notice the light. Everything in this room is designed to catch, refract, and celebrate light. The hotel houses over 15,000 pieces of Baccarat crystal, and nowhere is that more evident than right here. During the day, the Grand Salon is flooded with natural sunlight, offering a serene space for one of the city's most coveted afternoon tea services. Imagine delicate handcrafted pastries, exquisite tea blends selected by the hotel's sommelier, and of course, champagne served in flawless crystal flutes. It is an environment that commands a slower pace. In a city constantly rushing, the Grand Salon invites you to linger, to converse, and to simply exist in a state of absolute refinement. When it is time to retreat, the Baccarat's guest rooms and suites offer a private sanctuary of unparalleled comfort. Let's step inside the Baccarat suite. The attention to detail here is astonishing. You are immediately enveloped in a palette of cream, white, and soft taupe, accented by subtle hints of brushed steel and that iconic Baccarat red. Every element has been curated to perfection. The custom-designed Machoni jacquard linens feel like silk against the skin. Upon the desk, a beautiful red lacquer box hides your room's amenities, while a subtle push of a button on the bedside tablet controls the lighting, the temperature, and the heavy drapes that frame your view of the Manhattan skyline. And then, there is the bathroom. A vision in brilliant white Ruinart marble. It features a deep soaking tub, an oversized rainfall shower, and bespoke amenities crafted exclusively for the hotel by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. It is a space that doesn't just accommodate you, it pampers you. From the crystal drinking glasses by the sink to the incredibly plush robes waiting for you, every touch point reminds you that you are wrapped in the finest luxury. As evening falls over New York, the energy shifts. And there is no place quite like the bar at Baccarat. If the Grand Salon is a bright Parisian dream, the bar is its sultry, intoxicating alter ego. Drawing inspiration from the stables at Chateau de Versailles, the space features dramatic barrel-vaulted ceilings, rich crimson velvet draping, and a striking black and white floor. This is where the city's elite come to hide away and celebrate. The cocktail program here is an art form, utilizing the finest spirits, fresh botanicals, and daring flavor profiles. And naturally, every single drink is poured into magnificent, heavy crystal glassware. Holding a Baccarat glass changes the way a cocktail tastes. It adds weight, texture, and a profound sense of occasion to every single sip. Whether you are enjoying a classic martini or one of their bespoke seasonal creations, an evening here is undeniably cinematic. Beneath the bustling streets of Manhattan lies the hotel's most guarded secret, the first dedicated Spa de La Mer in the United States. In a city that demands so much of your energy, this subterranean oasis is designed to give it all back. The spa offers custom treatments utilizing La Mer's miraculous seaborne skincare formulas, administered by expert therapists in an environment of total tranquility. Adjacent to the spa is the pool. Measuring 55 feet, it is bordered by luxurious cabanas and features a checkered floor reminiscent of the Côte d'Azur. The temperature is always perfectly regulated, the water perpetually tranquil. It is incredibly rare to find an indoor pool of this caliber in the heart of Midtown. Floating here, surrounded by the soft glow of the alcoves, the reality of New York City feels a million miles away. The Baccarat Hotel isn't simply a place to sleep, it is an immersion into a lifestyle of unapologetic beauty and refined taste. It proves that even in the center of the world's busiest city, true opulence, the kind that moves slowly, speaks softly, and sparkles brilliantly, can still be found. From the flawless Parisian design to the unparalleled level of personalized service, every moment spent within these walls is designed to be cherished. It is dazzling. It is dramatic. It is the Baccarat. If you enjoyed this journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments, give the video a like, and subscribe to join us for more unforgettable escapes around the world. When you're ready to plan your own escape, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description. This is JetSet Hideaways. Where to next?